how to remove highlight in PDF. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove highlight on PDF. So first of all, you need to come to ilovepdf.com and click on PDF to Word, and after that you have to click on select PDF file and select the file you want to remove highlight. And after that you have to click on convert to Word, and it is converting PDF to Word. You just have to download Word, and after downloading it you just have to click on it and open it. As you can see, it's now opening. You will just need to click on enable editing, and after that you just have to select the part you want to remove the highlighted section from, and after that you just need to click on here and click on no color. As you can see, just have to click on here and click on no color, or you can just click here and you can just highlight it. As you can see, we'll just click on no color from here, color from here, and that's it for this video guys. See you on the next one.